Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get PicsArt coupon code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons. Link is in description. Here click on PicsArt Store. Here you will find all PicsArt products coupon. Find the PicsArt coupon and open it in new tab. Now click on Grab this deal now button. Copy the code. Visit the link from pop-up box. On PicsArt page click on Buy Now button. Select your plan and proceed to checkout. In coupon box paste the code which you copied. Click Apply. Congratulations! You have successfully got PicsArt discount. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.